project, problem 1, PC modem. We had a company that wanted us to be able to create a purchase order, which was done by putting the product ID number in this cell, which would match up with a product list in this worksheet. And we had to create a formula so that the type of product would appear under type once you put in the range. So it was a VLOOKUP that we have to do by inserting a function, and you go to VLOOKUP, and basically you're kind of filtering the information so that it's going to return all this information based on the number, the product ID number. So it was able to tell me the type of modem, the name of the product and the model, the cost. Then we had to figure out the shipping. They had us put these data in here so that we could create a cost here, which again, this was a nested if formula. So if this B15, the shipping option, equals express, it would add this amount. If it equals standard, it adds that amount, etc. And you do that by creating nested if formulas. And then in the total cost, you had to create a formula that was the sum of the quantity times the price plus the shipping cost. They also had us put these error messages in. So in case something was off, you would get, instead of the usual value error from Excel, or an error about the formula or the function, it would just put in check product ID, quantity, or shipping option, because that might be one of the mistakes. I have to say this project was the most challenging to me yet. It brought me to tears a few times. I really had a very, very hard time with these summaries, which was the final thing. You had to create formulas for the summaries of these, averages of these products, and I couldn't do it. I just could not do it. I could not figure it out. I spent hours and hours. I'm late turning this in. It really brought me to my knees, this project, I have to say. I really struggled a lot. So I just improvised and organized my products by type, and then I did an average using my math function, because I just could not figure it out. I tried a million ways. I went over and over the tutorial. I just could not figure it out. I don't know why. I'll try and spend more time with it. Anyway, this was a very difficult one for me, for whatever reason. And there it is. That's the end of week 7.